Hi guys, we are, hold on, oh, getting tie-dyeing. Our tie-dye on. Oh, check out the merch. Oh, fucking with Foza. Who could that be? Oh, what did she do? She can't even read it. Oh wait, we don't even have the mic on. That's alright. I think this is gonna fall. No. Why did your freaking laugh have a riff in it? Did you hear it? You went, I'm just that good.
Okay, yeah, so we're gonna be tie-dyeing today. I haven't tie-dyed in over 15 years. She hasn't tie-dyed in over 20. So it's just like, we have a lot of catching up to do.
We're very skillful.
We're skillful in just like everything in general, but
right.
Like tie-dyeing.
It's just our specialty. We're
Right.
ready. Okay, so let's get started.
We got our white shirts. My bloody nose. Okay, so there were a few methods to choose from as to how we should tie-dye. We had the crumple method, the wooden,
No.
what is it? No. The jowl, the spout. What do you call it?
Spiral.
No,
With the dowel.
With the dowel. The wooden dowel. Spiral
And the
method.
other one was the squirt method. So we're going with the, can you guess?
The crumple. We have to wet this first, right?
We do have to wet it with a hint of water. What we're gonna do, since we don't have a spray bottle,
Use the shower.
we were gonna use the shower. We were gonna go echar agua ahí and
A light misting.
oh, you got my socks wet.
Oh, okay, you know what? This feels right. Wait, I don't know.
Bring it.
You test it.
Feels pretty moist.
It's a good level of moist.
I think so.
Oh. He's like one of those bull people with like the red, like
No, yeah.
cape.
Like a matador.
A matador. Oh. Well done. I think if you just like, you know,
Soak it, squeeze it,
knead it, crumple.
crumple
hard.
If you're mad.
You're wrong when it's right. It's black and it's white. You don't really want to say no, you.
Okay, me too. We're friends.
Okay, so we have them on like this tarp.
Yeah, we have this. Tie-dye. We got it at Walmart. This video is not
Walmart,
sponsored,
but it could be.
So we're tie-dyeing.
Gotta bust it wide open.
Oh. All right, Doc. Ready for the procedure.
Oh no, the heart rate is dropping.
We gotta go.
Cold blue.
We gotta go. These warm bottles of, it feels like pee.
Bands make. Oh, she said.
So what we're gonna do now is the
Crumble. First, you take one hand.
Which one?
Left, and you place on
The
shirt,
right side of the shirt.
and then you
Crumble. I think I'm just gonna like, you know.
I'm gonna.
I think that's my crumple. So why does yours look like that and mine looks like this?
Cause I took my time with her.
Okay.
Yeah.
What the fuck, Fiona? Why?
You know what? Don't compare
Why?
t-shirts.
No, yes.
Every t-shirt is good in their own way.
I think she still looks the same, and
I think she looks great.
No.
Oh my god. The whole video is just you redoing your fucking crumple.
Apply the bands. That'll make her damn.
Damn, bitch! Oh, she came out! Yours is better.
What? Maybe because I did it 3 times. Pa arriba,
pa
abajo, pa centro, pa adentro.
Oh god. Oh my god.
Every step you take.
Dun 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 dun
Every
dun
move
dun
you make.
dun 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 dun
Every
dun
fuck
dun
I don't
dun dun
remember
dun
the words.
dun dun
dun
dun dun
Hey.
Every step you take, every move you make.
Stop trying to kill Kenna J. Ryan. She is a national treasure and you're not killing her.
Okay. Comment down. Mine's gonna come out what?
So much better. But don't compare t-shirts.
Okay, comment down below. Who do you think will come out
Mine
better?
looks brown.
Mine does not. Okay, go get a Ziploc and we'll put them in. Okay guys, I gotta let you in on some exclusive news. Hey, that's it.
Okay.
Ready? Okay, I didn't know what to say to them.
Yeah, do you do this when you like close it back?
No, honey.
No.
Look, it's airtight now. See that shit?
Yeah, I think she needs air to breathe though.
I think you need air to breathe. Just keep breathing and breathing.
Oh, no, none of that. Ah!
Sorry.
And breathe. Should we put our names on the outside?
I think we really know who's who. Okay, so we're gonna let these sit for 6 to 8 hours and then we'll show you the finished masterpiece.
Right. You okay?
The finishing touch.
Should I smack mine too?
Yeah, it feels right. It feels good. Go team.
Go team.
That's all we have
For you.
for today.
For today.
Maybe ever.
Right.
If you want to see more of us,
Figure it out for yourself.
right.
Bye.
Deuces.
Fucking problems. Okay? Okay.
Problems.